This is Avery. How old is she? 8 months?
Yeah.
Look at her chubby legs.
This is sparkly.
Yes, it is.
I'll have this one.
Can you do the splits? Look at your rolls. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Are you seeing something that we don't see?
I think so.
Slide, and then you jump onto here, Totter.
I don't know how she has rolls on her legs with all that exercise.
I think this is a fancy form of yoga or something.
Baby yoga.
Trying to get her bowels to move.